Yeah. So, there we go. As soon as I give up on starting it, it wants to run just fine when the camera's not looking, so try to make a few more circles and play with it.
That's how the leaves are blowing in it just goes right over it.
Oh yeah. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I got to drive it a little bit in the snow.
Oh,
we
really?
had some very shallow snow, because of course it's only got, you know, it's very tiny, so more than a quarter or half inch of snow, and it's too deep snow for it. But when we had that very light snow,
that little layer.
Yeah, that itty bitty bit of snow, we were able to.
Oh, is it on the? I haven't been able to.
Yeah, there should be a video of it on my YouTube channel.
Because I subscribed, but I haven't been able to.
Well, I know you said you lost your phone,
so I haven't been able to.
I don't know if you managed to get a phone back or not.
I don't know, because I want to see that.
So.
Yeah,
Let's see if I can get this.
That was the brake you showed me, right?
No, that was just the clutch.
Oh, okay.
Try to get this adjusted a little bit better.
Oh, there it goes. Look at the exhaust coming out. Oh, girl.
I touched it too much. Alright.
That's how fluky it is.
Yeah. Like. There it is. It's under an eighth of a turn on there, so.
Oh, wow.
It doesn't.
Oh no, tell me that's me. That's from the gutter. Oh, come on, baby girl.
Yeah. We'll see how long it goes on that setting, because again, it's the tiniest fraction of a setting open. It just. Well, there we go. Alright, well, I'm tired of fiddling with it, so I'll take it in and take a look at it, see what I can come up with again.